What's everyone, this is Dominic from Tiger Shrimp in Smithtown. Today, I'm going to show you how to make kale chips. Super easy recipe. All I've got, some cumin, cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder, chili powder, some pepper, a little bit of salt. Also, olive oil, we're going to need some of that. As far as equipment, just a tablespoon for measuring, a knife, or if you have scissors, you want to use that to clean up the kale. Whisk, I'm going to use that for our spices and oil in a little bit. Sheet tray with a wire rack. As far as the oven, got it set to 325. We're gonna bake these kale chips for 10 to 15 minutes. Be able to tell by how they look. So as far as all these spices, I've actually already measured them all out. We're doing, for everything here, 1/4 of a teaspoon, roughly around that much. Obviously, depending on how you want them to come out, adjust the seasoning how you need, but I've got everything mixed right in here. All I'm gonna do right now though, first thing I want, get my tablespoon in with my spices. We're gonna mix that up. It's gonna make it a lot easier to coat all the kale chips that we're gonna make. So, cleaning up all this kale, very simple to do. The one thing you don't want, basically this whole stem here. It's extremely woody, tough. Really, you don't want to eat that. So, knife, pair of scissors, whatever. Just go along the stem of that, cut all the leaves off. You could trim it, adjust it, size however you want. These, kind of like how spinach works, once you bake it, it is going to shrink a little. So I like, good decent size on these. So let's just cut all this up. My mixture of oil and my seasoning here. Just want to mix this up a little. Kind of want to coat like the whole bowl with it. It's actually going to make coating everything a lot easier once we throw everything in. I'm just going to throw everything in there. Again, my favorite way to mix all this up, just 2 bowls. Stack them, just shake them up. Cool, that looks good. So, everything's coated nicely. Now all I want to do, I'm going to put it on my sheet tray here. I want to make sure everything is spaced out pretty evenly. So I've got everything pretty spaced out. Now, 10-15 minutes sitting in the oven. We'll check them in a little bit. So it's been about 15 minutes, actually closer to 18. I kept checking these. I wanted them to be a little more done, but you'll see, shrank up a little. We got a brown on a couple of them, gives it that nice crisp.
One for the camera.
We need one for the camera.
Yeah.
For the camera. That one's really crunchy.
It's actually, the crunch makes it sound very appealing.
Yeah, that's the point. So that's all it takes to make kale chips. Only took about 20 minutes, mix everything up, cut the greens. I love them. They're really good. So hopefully you guys like this. Hopefully you guys will use this video. Good alternative as opposed to regular potato chips, anything like that. Hopefully you guys use it. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned. We got some more lunches, dinners, snacks, all that sorts of stuff. See you guys next time.